Hello, in this video I'm going to show the productivity tricks on the Redmi 15C. Alright, so let's begin. Unfortunately, this device doesn't support things such as split screen or the floating window, so I cannot show you that. But we still have the Gemini, which is our AI assistant, and I'll show you cool things that we can do with it. So when it comes to the AI, we can basically ask him for anything that we want to know, or we can even give him tasks. So let's say that we want to know when some historical event started, and we are too lazy and we don't want to search for it manually in the internet. So let's ask the AI to do it for us. Let's say we want to know when did French Revolution start, and let's ask the AI about the date. When did French Revolution start?
The French Revolution started on July 14th, 1789, with the storming of the Bastille.
And as you can see, we have now our answer. It took like a half second to simply ask the question to the AI, and we have immediately our answer. Okay, so that's an example of things that we can do with the AI. And now, for example, we can set an alarm. We can ask the AI to do it for us. We can also even name this alarm. So let's set a new alarm. I'll show you an example. Set an alarm at 4 p.m. and name it Do the Ironing.
I have set an alarm for 4 p.m. with the label Do the Ironing.
Okay, the AI says it has been set, but just let's make sure. Let's open up our alarm app, and as you can see, 4 p.m. Do the ironing, everything works just fine. So it has been successfully set. For now, I'll also turn it off because I don't want it. But as you can see, it works. Now let's try maybe with the calendar app, and let's try to add an event into our calendar. Let's say someone has a birthday and we don't want to forget about it, so let's give AI this task. Create an event in calendar of 9th of August and name it a birthday of James.
I have created an event named Birthday of James for August 9th, 2025.
As you can see, due to AI, it works. Just to make sure, let's open up our calendar app. Okay. And we have our birthday of James saved in our calendar. So as you can see, it works pretty nice. So I have shown you 3 things that we can do with the AI. As you can see, it works really nice. Also, I'll show you, for example, how to open up some of the apps. Let's say, let's open up the cleaning app. Actually, we don't have the cleaning app, but it's under the security things. Let's try, maybe the AI will do the work. So open up the cleaning app. Okay, something. Oh, the game started. So it didn't work as it should, but as you can see, we can still open up apps. Maybe let's try with something else. Maybe let's try with the Facebook. Yes, I have it. Launch Facebook app. Okay, and as you can see, the Facebook launched automatically. Maybe when we are on the home screen it doesn't work that good, but let's say that we are scrolling the internet and we want to quickly open up the Facebook. Simply open up the AI by using the shortcut, the power button of course, and say to it to launch the Facebook, and it should work pretty nice. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.